Yes, dear students, today we are doing some important question of quadratic equations. These questions are very important, and I want to say that please subscribe my channel and share it maximum, and don't forget to watch till the last question, and there is a very good surprise for you, so watch up to end. So in this question, see, this is a quadratic equation. As you know, the format for quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now compare with this, what we get? A equal to p, and what is b? B is equal to minus 2 root 5 p, and what is c? C is 15. We have compared the general form of quadratic equation and the given equation, so we are getting this. Now it is given that the roots are equal and we have to find the value of p. For equal roots, you know discriminant is equal to 0, and as you know the formula for discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So here roots are equal, so d is equal to 0. So b square, it means what is A? A is P, and what is C? C is 15. Now do the square of this. 2 square is 4, root 5 square is 5, 4 5s are 20, minus, we do the square, we get the positive sign, so we get 20p square minus 15 4s are 60. Now p 20p is common. What do we get? P minus 3, it is equal to 0. So we can say that 20p equal to 0 or p minus 3 equal to 0. From this we get p equal to 0 or p equal to 3. But if we take p equal to 0, then this equation will not be quadratic equation. Therefore, p is not equal to 0. So our answer is, and therefore p equal to 3. You understand why we can't take p equal to 0? Because if we take p equal to 0, then this equation will not be quadratic equation. So this complete our first question. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, in second question it is given that x equal to minus 1 by 2. x क्या दिया हुआ है? minus 1 by 2 दिया हुआ है, and minus 1 by 2 is a solution of this equation. So and we have to find the value of k. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? x की जगह minus 1 by 2 राइट करेंगे और हम k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So let's start. Instead of x we can write minus 1 by 2. Again minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, its square is 1 by 4. Here 2 and 2 cancel, so it is minus k minus 3 equal to 0. Or you can say 3 by 4 minus 3, it is equal to k. Take the LCM. 3, 4 3s are 12. So minus 9 by 4. So we get k equal to minus 9 by 4, and this complete our second question. Yes, dear students, please subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends, ताकि जो बेनिफिट आप ले रहे हैं वो आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी उनका बेनिफिट मिले. और वैसे भी कहते हैं कि ज्ञान हम जितना बांटते हैं उतना बढ़ता है. एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड, बिकॉज एंड में आपके लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा सरप्राइज है. सो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखें. नाउ सी इन दिस question minus 1 is the root of these two equations. So 1 is the root of these two equations, so 1 must satisfy these two equations. So put y equal to 1 in this equation as well in this equation. We put y equal to 1, what we get? So what we get? A plus a plus 3, it is equal to 0. 2a plus 3, it is equal to 0. It means a equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, what we have done, we put y equal to 1, so we are getting a equal to minus 3 by 2. Now in this equation also put y equal to 1, what we get? One plus 1, 2, 2 plus b equal to 0, so we get b equal to minus 2. And in the question, what we have to find? We have to find AB. It means product of A and B. AB is equal to minus 3 by 2 into minus 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, minus minus it become positive. So AB is equal to 3. So this complete our third question. Yes, now in fourth question we have to find x. As you know, the easiest method to find the value of x is your quadratic formula. So again we use the quadratic formula in this. So the quadratic formula first compare with this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. On comparing, what we get? A equal to root 2, b equal to 7 and c equal to 5 root 2. So these are the values of ABC, and as you know the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have to do nothing, we have just put the values of a, b and c and we get the answer. So what we get here, see what is b? B is 7, so minus b it becomes minus 7. B square means 7 square, 4 into a, and what is a? A is root 2, and what is c? C is 5 root 2 upon 2a. A is again root 2, so 2 into root 2. Simplify this and we get the answer. Minus 7 plus minus 7 square is 49, minus 4 5s are 20, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 4 5s are 20, 20 into 2, 40 upon 2 root 2. 49 minus 40, it is 9, and the root of 9 is 3. So we get minus 7 plus minus 3 by 2 root 2. So the roots are minus 7 plus 3 upon 2 root 2, or minus 7 minus 3 upon 2 root 2. Minus 7 plus 3, it is minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 root 2, or minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. Minus 10 by 2 root 2. Okay, so 2 2s are, so you get minus 2 by root 2, again 2 5s are, so this, or minus 5 by root 2. So we are getting these two numbers, but these are your the denominator cannot be irrational number, so you have to convert this one into rational number. So minus 2 root 2 multiply by root 2 and root 2. So this is your minus 2 root 2 upon root 2, and it is equal to root 2 into root 2, it is your 2. So what we get? 2 2s are cancelled, so we are getting minus root 2. So this is one of the root. Again we have to simplify this. Minus 5 by root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So this is again minus 5 by 2 root 2. So therefore the roots are, it means our x, the value of x is minus root 2 or minus 5 root 2 by 2. So this is our answer, and this complete our fourth question. Yes, in fifth question you have to find x. So how to do this sum? See, this can be written as 36x square minus 12ax plus a square minus b square equal to 0. Just open the bracket. Now see, this can be written as 6x square minus 2 into 6x into a plus a square minus b square equal to 0. See how we have written this term. See, you can see when you multiply this, what you get, 2 6 are 12, 12 into ax. So you're getting minus 12ax. But what is the basic purpose to write in this format? We have converted this one into identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square, it is equal to a minus b whole square. So actually we want to use this formula, so we have converted into this format. So from this to this, by using this identity we can see that a is 6x and what is b? B is a square, b is a. So this become, by using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is equal to a minus b whole square. So this is equal to 6x minus a square minus b square, it is equal to 0. Now again we know the identity, x square minus y square, it is equal to x plus y and x minus y. So now we are using this identity. This is your x and this is your y. So x plus y and x minus y. It means x plus y, this complete term is x, x minus y. So here what is y? Y is b. Here y is b. So either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So from this what we get, 6x equal to, take a and b right side and change the sign. When you take to the right side you have to change the sign. X equal to a minus b upon 6. Or from this what you get, 6x equal to, again take to the right side and change the sign. So we get 6x equal to a plus b by 6. So the answer are a minus b by 6 or a plus b by 6. So this complete our fifth question. Yes, dear students, thanks for watching the video till the end, and as I promise you to give some giveaway to this, so आप इसको क्या शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए। एंड मेरी तरफ से आपको कोई भी इसमें डाउट होगा, कोई एनी 5 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, कोई भी अगर आपको इस चैप्टर में कोई भी 5 क्वेश्चन आप अपने हिसाब से कोई भी चूज कर सकते हैं जो आपको मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट लगते हैं, तो वो मैं आपको 1-to-1 लाइव थ्रू जूम और मीट ऐप, जैसा भी आपको कंफर्टेबल होगा, मैं आपको ऑनलाइन आपको डाउट्स के सॉल्व करूँगा। ओके, सो इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करें ताकि वो भी इसका मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट ले सके। सो गुड बाय एवरीवन।